marami namin tutulad sa'yo. And sana marami ka pang ma-bless na more people. Thank you for your life. God bless you. Hi, Bianfara. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo ay happiness, syempre good health, more blessing pa, and success sa True Life. So, enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
PM Farah, happy birthday. Alam ko, hindi madali sa'yo para maging masaya ngayon kasi ito kauna-unang birthday na alam mo na you have this biggest why. And laban lang po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, BM. I wish you a very happy birthday. I know this is not your best birthday, but always remember na madami kaming nagpipray para mag-heal ka agad, and of course madami kaming nagmamahal sa'yo, your friends, your family, and of course familia. Happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, BM Farah. I just want you to know that we love you so much and we are always here for you. Love you.
Hello, BM! Happy birthday! Say happy birthday, Sia! BM, a lot has happened, pero I know na kasama mo si Lord, and i-remind ko lang din yung sinabi sa Romans 8:28 na all things work together for good to those who love Him and called according to His purpose. So may purpose ka, BM, and I know na magiging okay din ang lahat, family mo, everything. Ngayon na nag-celebrate ka ng birthday mo, I wish na maging happy ka. Love you, BM! Tita Farah, say happy birthday!
Happy birthday, BM Farah. More birthdays, more blessings, more proofing to come. Of course, I pray for your health para mas marami pang birthday. I pray for your family. I pray for your happiness, no? And just be yourself. Continue to be a blessing to others para mas marami ka pang matouch na buhay. And always remember na maraming nagmamahal, maraming sumusuporta sa'yo. Enjoy your day. Again, happy birthday. God bless you. Celebrate na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, BM Farah. Sana maging masaya ka today, kahit alam ko may mga dinadamdam ka pa. Alam ko maraming nagmamahal sa'yo, kaya sana tandaan mo na mag-smile ka lang lagi. Andito lang kami para sa'yo. Enjoy the day. I love you.
Happiest birthday, BM Farah. Alam ko medyo malungkot ang iyong birthday ngayon, but you know, life is like that. We have to go through some challenges. And of course, your mom has to rest na. So, ikaw din, medyo mag-relax ka naman. At you now have an angel in heaven. So, on your birthday today, I hope that you will enjoy because this is your special day, and I pray that the rest of the month and the rest of the year and onwards, your life will be much lighter, mas maraming benta, mas maraming active agents, mas maraming nagko-qualify, because I know in your heart na gusto mo rin sila na maging successful at makasama mo sa mga travels, gumanda rin ang mga buhay. So, BM Farah, I wish you all the best. God bless always, and just enjoy and always pray.
Ayan. So, hello, BM Farah. Happy birthday. Ayan. So, may Farah sa kanan, may Farah din sa kaliwa. Okay? So, Hindi ko rin to pinagplanuhan, BM, no, na blue yung Zoom background ko, and at the same time, no, yung damit ko din is color blue, no, so sumakto lang din, no, tinadhana din talaga. Yung if your favorite color is green, no, sa akin naman ay color blue. Ayan, so wishing you a very happy birthday, BM Farah. No, I hope you were able to celebrate, no, or you celebrate your birthday today, no, surrounded by the people who love you, no, cherish you, and who hold you dear. No, so we know ang daming nangyari this year and especially this month, no, and but don't forget that we are here for you, no, and those who love and yung mga nagmamalasakit sa'yo. I'm sure that your parents are watching over you and they desire nothing more than your happiness and fulfillment. No. Your mom is in a place of peace now, and I am certain that they take great pride in your achievements and the person you have become. No. And kami pa yung maswerte today, no, for your life, no. We are grateful because if not because of your parents, no, we wouldn't have known the Farah ng buhay namin, no, and we are grateful for them, and they have gifted us the privilege, no, you have gifted us the privilege of knowing someone na kasing bait, no, someone as kind, generous, loving, caring, hardworking, and as beautiful as you. So you have a genuine heart, BM, no. From the very first moment na nakilala kita, nakausap, no, nasabi ko, iba, no? Iba yung kabaitan niya. You have a genuine spirit. No, you have a genuine heart. And we consider ourselves fortunate to have known you. No, BM Farah. And huwag ka sanang magbago, no? Wala na kaming hihilingin pa sa'yo, BM. But we just wish you continue to persist in your dreams and maintain that confidence, no, na meron ka sa sarili mo and in your abilities, no. Believe in yourself, no. And sabi pa nga, ang taong malakas or matibay ang paniniwala sa kabila ng unos ay may araw na sisikat. No, so thank you, BM Farah, for the gift of friendship, for the partnership, for the trust, and sa lahat, no, sa lahat ng bagay. No, so wishing you a happiest of birthdays, no, BM Farah. No, so enjoy your special day, spend it with your loved ones, and we love you.